Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Make a Brickwork. Today I'll be building this. Set number 76155 in Arishem Shadow. It contains 4 minifigs and 477 pieces. So if you bought this in 2021, it usually cost $60. But right now it costs worth more, but then because piece per count is kind of a little expensive. But then it's kind of fun build because it does contain some big pieces and some tech pieces like that. And so the 4 minifigs it contains is Icarus, Cersei, Ajax, and Kingo. Ajax and Kingo are only exclusive to this set, so you have to get this set. You want to get those 2 minifigs. So I will sort the pieces and do the build. So this is the finish of the Arishem Shadow burst of minifigures. There's Icarus, Cersei, Ajax, and Kingo. So as you know, these 2 minifigures comes in other sets. These 2 minifigures right here are exclusive to this set. So if you want to get all the minifigures from the movie, you have to collect all 4 sets. And then the build. First of all, when you build this, you're gonna build this deviant creature right here. He's a winged creature, has horns on his head and on his back, and his is these pieces right here. It's hard to pose him because of the legs, because he comes with the only print piece which is on his head and which is on a 1x2 dark blue slope. Now for Arishem himself. So I don't know much about this character right here from the movie, except that he could be either good or it could be either bad, but we know he's some kind of cosmic creature that shows up in the movie. So also building him like is like one of those Ninjago mechs. So right here on the legs are Technic pieces on the bottom, and he has stickers all over his body. And it also comes with a lighting brick, which you can pop out like this. and you push in the button back, it lights up. Okay, so like this. Okay, and of course you could pose him, like his hand. You could pose his arms, and on both arms, and you can also pose his legs like this and like this, and they are touched by Technic ball joints. And of course his feet are Technic pieces as well by using the lift arms. And his head of course pose as well. And also it's a building technique that he uses. And I really like the build, enjoy the build, because it took me some while to rebuild it because I took it up before. So that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below. What you like to see next. Also leave in the comment down below if you've seen the movie, the Marvel movie, The Eternals. And have a nice day. Bye bye.